You were talking to me yesterday, and we were just looking at what was then Tropical Storm Melissa, and wow, did it blow up.
Yeah, and it was expected to, and it's crazy that it went from last Monday, where it was named, all the way to yesterday. It didn't really intensify from 45 to 70 in 6 days, and then it went from 70 to 140 in one day.
Now, thankfully, nothing we need to worry about here, but this is a dangerous storm for several of the islands in the Caribbean.
Yeah, unfortunately, a storm like this is going to be life-threatening to really Jamaica and going into Cuba, but even places like Haiti, even up towards the Bahamas, because you're looking at this one being a big rainmaker, as well, of course, wind and storm surge. So Jamaica is going to get all of it. Category 4, 140-mile-per-hour winds, central pressure at 952, moving to the west at 5 miles an hour. And again, we do have that hurricane warning for Jamaica for the entire island. Again, we are looking at the most powerful hurricane to ever hit Jamaica if the forecast holds true. You see the hurricane watch for Cuba, tropical storm warning with a hurricane watch for Haiti as well. So again, this is expected to intensify to a category 5 as we go throughout late this evening into the overnight. Make a turn to the north and northeast as a category 4 right before landfall. Does look like it's going to weaken a little bit, but still 155-mile-per-hour winds. Gilbert was 137 and the strongest up till now. So again, it's going to cross over Cuba more than likely as a category 3, moving its way southern Bahamas and Turks and Caicos as a category 2, weakening to a category 2. And then towards Bermuda as a category 1. Again, we're talking about rainfall with this one being another threat. Again, for places like Haiti and even for Cuba, you're looking at 15 plus inches of rain. And look at this, as you go into Jamaica, 15 to 25. That white is 25 plus inches of rain. And the rest, all this yellow, again, is 8 plus inches of rain. So a lot of rainfall. And this is going to go all the way again until that storm exits as we go into Wednesday into Thursday. For us, things are looking fantastic and no threat for landfall for us and really no impacts out of this, thanks to a cold front that's coming through midweek. So you see a few of those showers drying up as expected. We'll see a few as we go throughout the day. There's that stalled front. You see they're kind of connected as expected, and then that low is going to take off and take, luckily, any chance of severe weather with it. For us, we'll see those rain chances increasing. The better chance for tomorrow is going to be for the East Coast, but still, best chance we've had in a while. And you see that moving its way up with that low tracking up towards the north. So again, it's more about this cold front. And you see, there's Melissa. The cold front will sweep across dry, or at least mostly dry. And then you see it kind of pushing Melissa, picking up speed and moving it out to sea. And then we're nice as we go into next weekend. So your futurecast showing again, a few stray showers making across for the day. That's your 20%. Now as we get closer to sundown, we'll increase that a little bit. And going into the overnight, those will dry up. For tomorrow, nice start to the day. We'll start to see some popping up through your afternoon, through the evening commute, and then we'll see that again drying up. We'll start to Tuesday with a few clouds, but the big deal is the dew points going down. So there's the front. Wednesday, Thursday, look at those dew points in the 40s for Friday, Saturday. So today, 88, 20% while the sun is up, a little bit better closer and shortly after sundown. So a nice start to the day. Stray afternoon storm, small craft advisory. Winds out of the east 15 to 20 knots, and that 70 forecast shows after Monday it's going to be nice. But look at those temperatures dropping around average for Tuesday, but then about 10 degrees below it as we wrap up the week. Friday 59 to 74 for your Halloween, even cooler at 56 to start the weekend.